Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we have two of the world's best things, coffee and shopping, okay? I am going to show you everything that I recently picked up at Sephora. I had an amazing time just spending me time, sipping on some coffee, looking at makeup, and today I'm going to share everything that I got with you. And in part two, we're going to try it all together. So shout out to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be working with them. If you guys are not already a Sephora Beauty Insider member, what are you waiting for? If you shop at Sephora as much as you do, or even if you don't shop as much, you can earn perks, you can earn points. You get little birthday gifts when your birthday comes around. There's a lot of benefits, so shout out to Sephora. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Grab your cafecito. Cheers, and let's get right into today's Sephora. Okay, let's get right into it because I literally went by myself. Kids stayed home with dad. Took myself, grabbed a little coffee on the way, took my AirPods, popped them in, listened to my audiobook, which I just finished, The Teacher by Frida McFadden. That was a pretty good book, but are you guys going to be watching The Housemaid? It comes out December 19th. I am so excited. If you guys haven't read that book, you still have time. Read it, and then let's go watch it together, okay? Also, shout out to Starbucks for making the best homemade pumpkin spice creamer. I literally bought the Starbucks blonde dark coffee and then the Starbucks pumpkin spice creamer just with the regular milk. So good. It is sweet, so you only need a little bit unless you like it very sweet, but oh my gosh, this is so delicious. I cannot stop drinking this. Okay, let's get right into what I got. I got some new items, and then I got repeats of items that I desperately needed. For example, look at what I finally got. If you know, you know. The Anastasia Magic Concealer is my most used, most abused concealer ever. I love it, and I refuse to throw the other one out. I still have some, but I was like, all right, it is time for me to go get another one. So I picked up a brand new one. Shade number 8. The other one, I've had it for years, and it still smells the same. So I'm really excited to open this nice and fresh, apply it onto the skin. Whatever I have left on my other one, I'm gonna take it downstairs to my other vanity and just scrape the last bits of it because, again, I don't like wasting makeup and I refuse to let it go. This is a product that I have been eyeing for months. Whenever I sleek my hair into like a little bun or whatever, just whenever I want to style my hair more like sleek, I don't really like using hairspray on my hair anymore. I try to use as little hairspray as I can, and I've seen that this product is really amazing for that. So this is the Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Cream. It creates smooth styles, preps blowouts, ooh, and defines curls. Okay, so apparently you can use it on either damp hair or dry hair to use it as a sleek styling cream. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. Like, I doubt I'm going to run out of this for a very, very, very long time. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm not going to open it just yet. I'm going to wait until I need it. So yeah, got that. So let's see, what else did we get? I got some new stuff, y'all. Okay, I think I'm going to leave my favorite one for the end, the last thing. So excited for Fenty. Fenty has a few new items. I wanted to try... No, I think this is the one that I wanted. I originally wanted the lilac, and then I wanted the light pink, and I just went with a banana shade because they didn't have any of the ones that I wanted. So these are new. These are the Bright Fenty Beauty Instant Brightening and Blurring Powders. These are supposed to be amazing. I own the matte one, the one that absorbs the oils and absorbs the oil, and I love it. I hope this is not going to be too dark for me, like as I go into like my winter shade. Right now I'm still a little tan, but this, I swatched it in stores and it looks so beautiful. I love a bright under eye just right here, and this is going to give me exactly that. So I'm excited for this. I'm excited for everything. Let me just preface that. I'm excited for everything. From Kosas, I don't really try a lot of stuff from Kosas, so I was like, you know what, let me expand my horizons and let me try two things. I got two things from Kosas. I got their bronzer and I got their blush. For blush, I got the Wavelength Warm Peach Blush. I'm sorry, like I just can't stay away from peach blushes. They consume my life, but that's what I gravitate towards, and that's what I like. Like I'm wearing a peachy toned blush right now. So this is the shade that I got from Kosas. Look at how beautiful the baked blush is. Again, never tried any of their baked blushes, and this is a brand that I definitely want to get to know a little bit more. So picked up that, and then I picked up, I think these are new, the bronzers. This is in the shade Escape. I just really liked the formula of this like baked bronzer. I don't know, I really like baked formulas for some reason. That is the shade that I got. I think this is gonna give me a really pretty glow, and I'm so excited to try this. I love bronzers. I love trying new bronzers. I love discovering new bronzers. So if you guys love Kosas, let me know in the comment section down below, what are your like favorite Kosas products that you can't live without. These two, I got them for free for having points, which is what I mean by shopping on there. You earn points and you can redeem them for little things like this. That way you can try out products, and if you love them, you can end up buying the full size item. So I picked up the Caudalie serum. It's this brightening dark spot serum. I've heard nothing but amazing things. This is an expensive brand, so I got the mini one, and then of course the Sol de Janeiro Beige Fleur. I love this cream. I used to own it and then ran out and I just never bought it again, but this is the perfect size to throw in your purse, which is why I got this one, and I use 200 points, and I think I have over like 600. I don't know, I have a few. This is also brand new from One Size. One Size is such an amazing brand. They came out with their Buckle Silk Cellulose Airbrushed Powder. This is talc free, and I know some people feel some type of way about certain items being talc free. I think as long as the items still work and they perform well, they look well, and it gives your skin that airbrush like finish, I'm totally okay with that. I picked up the shade Medium Golden. I did have to swatch a few of them. It looks a lot more light on camera, but it's not as light, or I hope it's not as light. I don't know. I'm hoping this looks good as, again, the winter months come in. But oh my gosh, swatching this, it feels like velvet on the skin. As soon as I tried it, I was like, yep, you are coming home with me. Also new from Miss ABH, the new Micro Stroke Brow Pen in the shade Ebony. I love brow pens. That is literally what I use to fill in my brows every single day. I don't do my eyebrows with powder. I don't do my eyebrows with pencil, nothing. I simply use this for my brows. I would love to eventually collect these and add these to my makeup kits, because I feel like this just elevates the brow game. But this is amazing. Like the tiny little brush on this, oh my gosh, I am so excited to try this. And again, I got the shade Ebony. I didn't want to get Granite because it was a little too dark, so Ebony is like the perfect spot. Miss Charlotte Tilbury came out with a matte setting spray. I am so excited. I have her jumbo, what is it, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, one of my favorites, but I do have to like set my skin because it can make me oily. This is matte. I did go with the small size. This is $23, I think, because obviously the bigger size is a lot more expensive, but I wanted to make sure that I loved it before I committed to like the big size, because I do have some setting sprays that are matte that I currently love. So we're gonna give her a try, and I have high hopes because Miss Charlotte Tilbury doesn't disappoint, and the packaging, super, super cute. So I'm excited to try this, and I really, really hope it does work and it does keep my skin matte, because if there's an oily girl out there, that's me. She is oily. I am her. She's oily. Another new Fenty item, which I'm also really excited about, the Grip Trip Mattifying and Blurring Primer. I have been on a like no primer kick for the past maybe month. Literally all I do is I heavily apply my skincare where my skin is like juicy, and then I will go in with my foundation, which is what I did today. But I cannot resist a good matte primer. Look at this. Isn't this so freaking cool? This literally reminds me of Stila. It had like a primer similar to this. If you know, you know. This is like nostalgic in a way, you know? So I'm really excited for this. Again, it's Fenty. She doesn't disappoint. And yeah, I can't wait to try this. I want to try this out ASAP, but we're gonna try it out tomorrow. Sorry guys if I'm sniffling a lot. I think the sickness is finally getting to me because Lincoln was sick for like a week. This is a restock. This is the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara. Literally, I've gone through 5 tubes of these. I don't know what it is about the small one though that I love even more. Like, look at how like squeezed out and dried out this is, because I love this mascara so much. But again, for some reason, I really like the mini size. I like the brush on the mini size, and this is only maybe $12 or $16 or something like that. So I needed a new one because that one ran out, and here she is. My favorite mascara for my lower lashes. Nothing makes my lashes longer than this. I swear by this, okay? This is something that I've had my eye on for months, and I just never bought it, by the brand Danessa Myricks, which I'm really excited to get into her products. I hear nothing but amazing reviews, and this is the Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum. It's a mattifying and priming face serum. Here it has all day oil control, okay? So I am excited to try this, because if there's something that can control my oily skin all day, take my money, take my cards, take everything that I own, because I will buy it over and over again. So we'll see if this truly is amazing, and yeah, I'm excited. Do not shake, just have bought. Oops. As I was making my way around, I noticed some lashes, and you guys know that I love lashes, and I saw these from Lily Lashes. Now, I'm not one to buy expensive lashes just because there's so many good lashes out there that $30 lashes is unacceptable to me, but these are only $16, and these are no glue needed, body heat activated. A little skeptical, but these lashes are gorgeous and totally up my alley. These are called Moneymaker, and they, okay, I'm not gonna open them because I can't open them right now. I don't have scissors, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I love the crisscross. I love how spiky they are. They're kind of like bushy in a way, but in the cutest way possible. So picked up that. The last 3 items are probably the items that I'm most excited for, and these are not makeup related. The first is a hair mask by the brand Gisou. This is the Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Hair Mask. Clinically proven for hydration, strength, and glossy shine. 4 times stronger hair. Oh my gosh, this brand literally makes me want to like spend all my money on it, and that's so expensive. But I need a new hair mask, something that is going to make my hair super glossy and super hydrated. Look at how cute this is. It literally reminds me of Winnie the Pooh. So that is a hair mask right there. This was like $45. She was a little expensive, but I have high hopes. Oh my gosh, and she smells delicious. Again, this is a brand that I'm not very familiar with, haven't really tried much, but we're gonna try her soon. I just washed my hair, so we have maybe 4 days till I try her because I don't wash my hair that often. So we'll see. If you guys have tried this, let me know your thoughts on it, okay? For skincare, I picked up this mini Rhode kit because I really wanted to try her products, okay? I wanted to try the glazy milk, but of course it was sold out. The girl told me that it had been sold out for 2 weeks, and I think Saturday they were getting a shipment. But I was like, you know what? Let me try this. This was like $68, and it comes with pretty much everything in her skincare line, so you can try it. And of course, everything is mini, and I am so excited. So this is the Peptide Glazing Fluid Dewy Hydration Layer. Not sure what this exactly does. I need to do a little bit more research on this, but yep, it comes with that. And then it comes with the Barrier Restore Cream. Ooh, I definitely need a good Barrier Restore Cream because my skin is super dry right now. The Pineapple Refresh Daily Cleanser, okay? And then, of course, with the Milk Glaze. I'm so excited for this. I've heard nothing but amazing things. So, we'll see. We'll see how this is. Let me know your thoughts on Rhode Beauty and if you guys like it or not. The last thing, this is the thing I'm so excited for because I've been putting this off and I didn't buy the full size because I was trying to be good. I picked up the Rare Beauty new perfume. I've seen this all over my TikTok, all over my social media accounts pretty much. This is the mini Rare perfume set. So it comes with comes with a spray and with a roller ball. I did smell this already and it smells amazing. But again, I didn't want the full size. I don't even think they had the full size anyways. So good for me. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect scent for fall in my opinion. It's warm and spicy. This is so cute. Look at this. It's a little roller ball. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. Oh, that is so nice. And it feels so good on the skin actually because it's nice and cold. Oh, this smells so good. I don't need the full size. You don't need the full size. You don't need it. That is it, you guys. Oh, I'm getting so stuffy. Okay, I'm gonna finish my coffee and I'm gonna clean all this up and we're gonna film a part 2. So stay tuned because we're gonna try everything together. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, stay safe, and I will see you guys in part 2 where we try everything out. Love you guys. Mwah! Bye.